Hey friends, this is Asif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has reached the end of this triangle, and you can see that the movement is getting more and more squeezed. So at any time it can break out, break down, and in today's video we will analyze is there any possibility for the breakout or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this weekly time frame chart first. And here we can see that Bitcoin is moving inside a very long-term down channel, and in order to start a big and huge move from here, first we need to break out this long-term resistance of this down channel, this down trend line resistance. And after breaking out, once the Bitcoin will be able to reach here at $28,600, then after breaking out this level, we can expect that Bitcoin can start a very massive move for the long term. And previously we can see that this $28,600 as has been working as a very strong support here, and support here as well. And this is a very strong support zone that starts from $17,500 and goes to $19,500, and you can see that the price line is also forming a huge double bottom at this support as well. And so far it is not able to break it down. Previously this level has been breaking as a strong support and resistance back in December 2020 and here back in December 2017 as well. Now if we take a look at this daily time frame chart, then here we had a breakout from this falling wedge pattern, but could not continue its move to the upside because it was rejected by this long-term down trend line resistance of this descending triangle. And here we have the support at $18,500, and now you can see that the movement is getting more and more squeezed as it is going deeper inside this triangle. So at any time it can break out or break down, maybe within next few days, or it is also possible that within next few hours, because if we switch to the smaller time frame on the 4-hour time frame chart, then it has already broken out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. And when we were testing this support, we were having this drop. I was telling you that we are having a bullish divergence on the chart. Therefore, there is a probability that the price line may start another reversal move from here. And you can see we did start a reversal move from here. And again, in my previous video, when we were having this drop, I told you that the price line is forming higher low than previous low, but the stochastic is forming lower than previous low. So there is a hidden bullish divergence. Therefore, we can expect another reversal move from here, and we had another reversal move from here. Now if we switch to this 30-minute chart from here, and we can see here on 30-minute chart, it has formed another triangle. Here we have the resistance of the newly formed triangle, and here we have the support and uptrend line support. So there is another formation of a symmetrical triangle, and this is, even though it is a very small time frame chart, but the significance of this pattern is very high, because if it breaks out this resistance of the triangle, then our target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $19,800, and in that situation we can also break out this bigger resistance of the triangle. And we can let me to show you first target for this wedge pattern that I was showing you on the 4-hour time frame chart. And on the 4-hour time frame chart, our target after breaking out the falling wedge pattern, sorry, this was the chart. And for this falling wedge pattern is here that we are expecting at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at $20,400. And after breaking out this triangle, first the price line can hit this target, and it can also break out this resistance of the bigger triangle as well. And by the way, the target after breaking out this bigger triangle, let me show you the conservative target, or from here, then our target can be here, even here. That will be approximately $32,000, and in that situation we can also break out easily this bigger down channel as well. And by the way, the target for this bigger down channel, once we will be able to break out this bigger resistance, the key resistance will be here at the top of the channel. that will be approximately at $65,000 to $66,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.